Hello friends, welcome to the Ayurvedic channel. Today we will know golden benefits of eating foxnuts. We all know that eating dry fruits is beneficial for health, but you must have heard about the benefits of eating foxnut, also known as coconut, almond, walnuts, pistachios, cashews and raisins. But do you know about the benefits of eating foxnuts? So let's know about it. Foxnuts is rich in antioxidants. It works to reduce the symptoms of aging. It is rich in calcium and also helps in joint pain. Foxnut contains good amount of potassium which reduces blood pressure by circulating blood flow and provide relief from high blood pressure. It also have a negative effect on sodium. It is an effective treatment for sleep related diseases. It is helpful in relieving stress and provide a peaceful sleep. It has calming properties which are also beneficial in reducing restlessness and nervousness. Eating foxnut roast in ghee is beneficial in diarrhea, even if it is chronic constipation. It is also an appetizer and it used to improve appetite. Foxnut is not only a source of strength and energy, but it also helps in weight management. It reduces the amount of fat in the body and maintain a healthy weight. Foxnuts is very low in unhealthy cholesterol. It is easily digested and helps in keeping heart disease at bay. Eating foxnuts is also very beneficial for muscle strength. If your muscles get stiff from time to time, then you should start eating foxnuts regularly. Foxnuts contains antioxidants which help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and make the skin healthy and glowing. Foxnut also contain protein, calcium, iron and other nutrition which helps in keeping the body healthy. Foxnut can be eaten by roasting, frying or adding it to milk. It can also be eaten as a snack or by adding it to the meal. To get such a small but amazing information at home, like the video and subscribe to the channel.